Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl channel. Welcome back to another exciting video. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to do a full face makeup. So I'm starting up now by cleaning my face with the wipes. I'm applying my primer. So I'm starting up now to draw my brows. So guys, if it's your first time of coming across my video, please subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, like and share, and also turn on your notification bell so when I post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. To my returning subscribers, you are amazing. Thank you for always stopping by to watch my videos, to support me. Thank you so much. So I'm drawing the other part of the brow. Yeah, I'm taking my time to make sure I derive what I wanted. So I'm filling it up now. So here I'm trying to use a classic lash glue to make it more firm and pop, like to make it pop out. And this will also make it last. I'm applying my concealer right now, and I use the LA Pro concealer for this. So guys, if you really want to achieve a good result, you just have to take your time. Yes, take your time. If you make a mistake, go back, start over. Take your time to make sure you get a perfect brow. So I'm using my foundation, my shade, to do the upper part of the brow. So I'm doing the same to the other side of the brow too. So guys, today I'm going in with brighter colors. Yes, brighter eyeshadow colors in this video, because in my previous videos I always use nude, like natural colors, but today I decided to use brighter colors to actually have a bright and a popping makeup transformation. I actually chose these colors because I haven't used them before. Like, I haven't used these colors at a time before. I know pink is one of my favorite, but I haven't like combined it before. So I'm trying it out today, and I hope it comes out very well. I'm taking my time to make sure that I blend it out very well. Applying my false right now. So I'm using my hands to make it more firm. I actually use 2 shades of foundation to get my foundation shade. Yes. I use classic foundation and Isa and Gold. Isa and those. Going in with LL Pro concealer to highlight my face. So guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment, like and share, and also turn on the notification bell if it's your first time of coming across my video. Do well to subscribe. So guys, I'm baking my face right now with LA loose powder. This is actually the part I like so much doing makeup. I don't know why, but I'm always excited doing this part. So I'm going in now with my contour. So I'm contouring my face. I'm actually using a powder contour to do this. I'm going in now with my face powder. I'm using this fluffy brush to take out the excess powder under my eyes. So guys, I'm highlighting my cheekbone with a bronzer. Apply my mascara to make my eye pop out. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.